Alright YouTube, check it out. My very own payphone. As you can see, I got my very own payphone for my birthday, which is super cool because I have a pretty big interest in payphones, but this isn't the only payphone I have. I also have this fake, cheaply made Crossley one that doesn't even work. I mean, I guess I'll make a video of it later in a different separate video, but we're actually focused on this one, which is a real payphone. Yeah, guys, that's not even fake. That's not. Let's take out the hook and see what it looks like. Yeah, we got the handset. And then this coin return thing. I'm sure you guys can see it, but yeah. Then you guys can kind of see my little payphone phone case, and got the instructions. And then the brand of this payphone it's a Bell system by Western Electric, but it says Paytel on the inside. And yep. If you guys are wondering, then no, this phone sadly does not work because we don't have a working landline, but we're gonna work on it. But yep. Let's go ahead and put in 50 cents and we'll dial a random number. Here we go.